What's up, my LJC family, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday. Y'all, I know things, I am trying to get my camera right, but it seems like I can't get no light. But anyway, y'all, we're going to be trying some Matilda. This is my Christmas present from the people I work for. Matilda Valenci. Well, I don't know how to pronounce it, but she is Italian and she make pastry cookies. And I don't know, y'all. We just gonna try it. I haven't opened it up, but these are the pastry, if y'all can see it, cookies that she makes. And you have vanilla cream, chocolate cream, lemon cream, vanilla cream filling, soft coconut cream filling, and then some Danish pastry. Y'all, I cannot see. I'm blind. But as y'all can see, it has not been opened at all. My little Christmas gift. So I'm going to try these with y'all, okay? I'm excited. I'm excited to try it, y'all. I never had anything like this. In 1905, Matilda Valenci opened her first pastry shop on the outskirts of Vermont. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. But anyway, she opened up her first shop in 1905. So, hold on, I gotta get something to open this. Okay, I had to go get something to open it up. And I want y'all to see, once again, I'm opening it with y'all. And we gonna see what it look like. Okay, I'm always making weird faces. Okay. This is the top part of the can. This is a sweet Italian tradition, and it's just basically telling you she opened up her shop in 1905, and then, you know. So, she did biscuits and pastries. Okay. So, this one right here is, I can't really tell because these two look the same, but this must be the vanilla. This must be the vanilla ones, because I am assuming that these would be lemon, since it has a yellow on there, but I don't know. I'm assuming. And then this is these are Germany, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, this is the soft cocoa cream filling. And then these right here are the soft vanilla cream filling. And then these are, I guess, chocolate cream. I don't know. These kind of like the same ones. And then the last one is just a fine, decorative pastry. I said it all wrong earlier. But this is what it is. It tells you. And this is a gift that I received from someone I work from. And that was so sweet. That was so sweet. So, things that look good may not be good. So, let's try it and see. So I think this one right here, as it look like chocolate. These are gonna be the, I'm thinking they're gonna be this one right here. So let's see. See what it tastes like. I really don't want to open them. I put tape back on them so they won't go bad. Because I know I'm gonna eat them all. I just want to taste them. I'll give you more faces. I'll make some crazy. Okay. So here it is. This is what it looked like. This is what it looked like. This is what it looked like. Kind of tastes like a biscuit. Pretty good. That's pretty good. I'm gonna have to give that a, I'm gonna give that a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna give that a 10 out of 10. That's good. Okay. And like I said, it was this one. It was this one right here. It was that one. Okay, so the next one, I'm not for sure. I think it's the lemon. So we can see. This is the one right here. This is what it looks like. Really like biscuits. No, I'm wrong. It is this one right here. See? I don't know if you can see the cream in there. But that one I'll give 8.5. Only because they have like a, I'm trying to say, it's like a lemon taste to it. It's like, it's good, but it just had a lemon taste to it. And I don't know if I'm a big fan of, I don't know. 8.5. It's good though. It's not nasty. It's not nasty. Now this is the next one. Okay. Let's see which one. This one. Let's see. No, so the one I just ate, it is the lemon. It's this one. I told y'all the wrong one. That's why I had that lemon taste to it. Lemon cream. It's this one right here. I'm sorry. I told y'all the wrong one. So this one must be this one. Yeah. And this one is this one. I told y'all wrong a while ago. Like I said, when your food good, you go to dancing. I give this a 10 out of 10. Good. Oh, my face messed up. So we all know this one is the one at the end right here. And this one is the decorative pastry, the fine decorative pastry. So I guess it's just a basic cookie. I don't know. Let's see. Have y'all ever had a butter cookie? That's what this tastes like. This tastes like one of them butter cookies. It's really good. I give it a 9 out of 10 because it's not nasty, but it's a little thick. But it tastes like those butter cookies, and those butter cookies. This is good, y'all. Okay. Got 2 more. Number 6. Hold on, let me get some water. I gotta clean up. I'm back. Okay. So the next one is gonna be these. Let's see. I messed that up. So this one is going to be the soft vanilla cream filling, which is right there. So let's see what it tastes like. My hair look a mess. Hold on. Now see that cream? I'm trying to see, y'all. I don't think I'm a fan of those. I'm not a fan of those. I think, I have to give that cookie a 5, 4 or 5. I wasn't a fan of that one. No. Hold on, I gotta get that out of my mouth. Okay, y'all. I'm not no fan of this one, so I'm gonna put that one all the way at the bottom. At the bottom. It's not. I know. I'm not gonna say it's not nasty because it's not good. So if it ain't good, it's nasty. I don't have no taste to it. It's not sweet. It just, I don't know. I can't really tell y'all. You gotta try it yourself. But anyway, let's see. The next cookie is going to be our last cookie. And this one is that one, of course. And it is the soft cocoa cream filling. Let's see what this one is about. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to really see. I really taste it. Because it's not something that first go in your mouth and it tastes good. I'm not feeling this one either. It's not nasty. I'll give this one a 5. 5 or a 6. No, 5. So these cookies, I'm going to put them up. I got my little tape. Yeah, that one, it, I don't know. They're not nasty. They're not nasty, but it's not something that, This one right here, like I said, I give a 4 or a 5. I'm going to go ahead and close it. Tape. Put it at the bottom. And then my next one, I know I don't have to do this, but I want to keep them fresh. I want to give everybody, a couple of more other people, opinion that I can get to try, and I don't want them to be stale. Having them in this can, they're not going to be stale. This one, I said a 5. Okay. This one, I'm gonna have to say, I think I gave that one I can't even remember what I gave it, but this one would be my 3rd choice. Not as good. Let me put that in there. Okay, and then this one was good, but the lemon, this one was really good, but the lemon flavor, I just didn't too much like the lemon. I don't know if it's just a lot of lemon, or if I'm just not a big lemon fan. And this one, that one is a 10 all day, every day. That one is a 10 all day, every day. Yeah, this one was really good. She stuck her foot in that one. Or either I'm not a pastry fan or something, I don't know. But no, this one was really good. And these were like the first ones in there. And this one was really good too. So these two I give a 10. The other ones, you know what? I'm not going to give them that low. I'm going to give them like a, no, I'm going to just keep it the way it is. Because, So, I got them all. Pack it back up. Pack back up. And put that in there. So the next time, I can let people know what they're eating. And we're going to close Matilda back. We got Matilda closed. And each cookie, here's the calories. The one I absolutely did not like has 185. And all the rest of them has 190 calories. Sodium, 4%, 2%, 4%, 3%, 3%, 3%, Total fat 15%, 14, 15, 14, 14, 13. There's 2 grams of protein in it. It has no vitamin D. It has no calcium. It has no iron. And it has 60 milligrams of potassium. And that's on all of them except the vanilla cream filling, the cocoa cream filling, and the fine decor. They don't have no potassium in it. Added sugar, 9 grams. That's not bad. And I think 11 grams is the most. Those are the ones that I didn't too much care for. Total fat 0. Sodium is high, 100 milligrams of sodium, 5 milligrams of cholesterol, 1 gram of fiber, and one of them had 1 gram of fiber, and that's it. They are made with wheat, hazelnut, milk, soy. It may contain other nuts, almond, cashews, mustard, and eggs. And that one is the white. That one is the pastry filled with chocolate cream. Pastry filled with vanilla cream. Wheat, milk, soy, nuts, almond, hazelnuts. So pretty much the same. This one got mustard and eggs. So pretty much all of them is made with mustard. Yes, all of them is made with mustards, hazelnut, cashews. This one, the last one I tried, that one is almond milk. And that's the milk I drink. I can't drink regular milk. That's, oh no. So all of them is, no, I take that back. I take it back. Almonds. Get it right, girl. Almonds and hazelnuts and cashews. Ingredients: wheat, flour, sugar, vegetable butter, eggs, cocoa powder, salt. Pretty much it's just telling you everything, all the ingredients. These were good, I'm not gonna lie, they were really good. But like I said, the last three, these last three I wasn't a big fan of. These were A1. Those were good. But anyway, my LJC family, I thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I just want to wish y'all a very happy Wednesday. Wednesdays are always great for me because it's Bible study, and I just love the Lord and learning and stuff like that. You know, I want to be more active and I want to do more, and I got to get out of this being quiet because I can talk on this camera. Baby, I can talk because I'm not talking to nobody until I put my videos out, and then I'm talking to y'all, my LJC family. But until then, but until then, I'm just not a talkative person, y'all. But anyway, I love y'all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, be blessed.